Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for tech gadgets and accessories business easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can go first here, see templates. So here you can choose the topic and the type. So for example, you can type here technology, and you can describe your site. For example, tech gadgets and accessories, like this. And let's continue. What are your job goals? Um, Sell products. That's it. How would you like to get started? Build a custom template with Squarespace blueprints. Choose a professionally designed website template. So I'm gonna choose this. Now let's finish. Here enter your site name. Type any name for gadgets and accessories business as you like. Now let's continue. Here you can build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section. Add in as many or as few sections as you need. So first here we have intro section. Intro section must be an attractive section to attract more people, and all the sections the same thing. Must be an attractive section. The product section and the services, also the about section, social section, the forms and the footer section. Now let's continue. Here you can add page to your site, shop, and here you can choose the color. You can choose any color match with this business for to attract people for this business, gadgets, tech gadgets and accessories business. For example, this good. And here you can choose the font. For example, this. And now let's finish. Here you can choose if you want to continue and describe more your website, something about your website, or if you want to skip. I'm gonna skip from here. So this is your homepage website right now. If you wanna change the page settings, edit it, you can go here and go here. So here you can change the page title, the navigation title, and the URL. So that's it. If you wanna edit, you can click here and start customize your homepage website. So first you have to change this. For example, welcome to our site for tech gadgets and accessories. Also here the text on the label, you can change it. I don't know, you can type shop now or whatever you like. And now let's move on to the background. You can edit the section here and go to the background. So you can choose if you want to add just a simple art or a video or an image. So I'm gonna choose an image, delete this, and you can add from, you can search on it on the free image here. You can describe more, you can type anything here you want to search on it as you like. So for example, so um, for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you like. So this text here might be attractive. You can make it bigger, more larger like this, or more bigger as you like. That's it. If you want to add something on your section, just click here and you can select a text or button or image or video as you like. That's it. Now let's move on to the site header. So here you can change the site title, just click on it and you can change it from here. You can add, upload your logo as a file, or you can upload it from your library as you like. Also the mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the elements. Here you can turn this on. You can change the label on this, the text on this label. You can change the icon size, icon style. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page from here as you like. So that's it. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna continue on the second part on the next video. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.